But all I heard from all of you is a reaction. My point is, what is the proactive measures that we can take? Did you ever think, what are the proactive things that we can do to be prepared for this kind of stuff beforehand? I'm not talking about just medicines, food. I'm not talking about that. Did you sit and think why this is happening first? What is the basis behind all of it? Go to that basis and chart a plan. What is that thing that you can cut to make these things not work? We are all reactive. Oh, something is happening, then we will, oh, okay, something is happening, then we will do. Okay, prayer for military, taking care of your kith and kin, and talking about the organizations, question them. These are all reactive activities. What is the basis? Did you go analyze the basis? And what can we do from there? Cut the things off, do things, certain things to be cautious. What is that you did? Any insight?
What are the ways we can do it is something even it's a great. What are the ways?
Big round of applause first. She is actually took the point I was about to make about the basis. What you can do from your side is to go and make others around aware of what is happening. To do as an individual and as a community, what can we do? Right? This is what I want you to think. Think in different angles. What are the things? Have you known what if you go around Indian groceries? Do you know what you buy is all halal? Even salt, even snacks is all halal. Do you know that? A lot of people think halal is only meat. Nothing about meat. Now halal has come into bread, snacks, spices, salt, sugar. Go, spend time, read what's on the label. Try to find things which are non-halal, non-products, which you can buy. Avoid things. Let them be on the store. How many of you are we doing this? We're not spending time for this. Very few. I'm proud of it because we are trying to be aware of things. Right? As a group, 10 people go and talk to the ownership. I have been doing loan battle till now. I've been shut off by the owner saying only you are coming, nobody else.
I'm getting the same response.
Why? Because we are going individually. There is no strength. I have talked to this community people here. They said they laughed at me. Nee pichiga poti yenni unne. It's okay. Costco, they have halal meat. First time. Question them. Very good. I questioned them. They said, sir, you're alone. We cannot go by one person. That's the ownership. If you go to other Costco, it's not there now. See, my point is 95% is bowing down to that 5%. Check that out. How are we doing? We 95% are bowing down to that 5% who is saying, I want what I want. You better serve me what I want. But 95% are saying, okay, we will. That's my point. That's my point. ఇప్పుడు నాన్న నువ్వు రెస్టారెంట్కి వెళ్ళావు అనుకో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ హిమ్ ఏందా ఇది నాన్ హలాల్ సార్ హైదరాబాదీస్ దే కమ్ అండ్ సే వి నీడ్ హలాల్ ఇక్కడ ఉండేది హైదరాబాదీస్ అంతా వాళ్ళు వచ్చి నాకు హలాలే కావాలి వాళ్ళంటే నువ్వెవడో పిచ్చోడు మనసులో అనుకుంటాడు బయట నువ్వు మాత్రం వస్తున్నావయ్యా మిగతా వాళ్ళంతా హలాల్ కావాలంటున్నారు బాబు. See, this is my point is, first of all, why do we have to negotiate? Are we not the strength? Are we not 95%? ఆలోచించండి ఒక్కసారి 95%. Why are we not strong? Why are we not? 5% can bowing down. Everybody is bowing down to the 5%. Why? Because that 5% is strong. ఐదు ఏళ్ళు ఇట్లా మనం ఒక్కొక్క డైరెక్షన్. When I brought it up with the community here, a lot of people, they laughed. Few years ago, they laughed. I said, that's fine. I will fight. Whatever. Ratnakaram Dautapadam. Ratnakaram, Drautapadam, Himalaya Kiritini, Brahmarajashri Ratnadhyam, Vande Bharatamataram. Because I am from the country where its feet is washed by the ocean waters and its crown is by Himalayas, and which has got Brahma Rishis and great Rishis. I am from that land, so I will not give up. Ratnakaram Dautapadam Himalaya Kiritinim Brahma Rajashri Ratnadhyam Vande Bharatamataram. I am from that nation. I will not let it go. May it be alone. What can you do? Just, it's okay. What are you doing? అంతెందుకు 95% కూడా కాదు, ఇక్కడ వచ్చే 15-20 ఫ్యామిలీస్ ఒకటై నెవర్ బై దిస్ స్టఫ్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో బిగ్ కమర్షియల్ థింగ్. హౌ మచ్ ఆర్ వి బయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ గైస్? Indian restaurants. If we boycott all the Indian restaurants, saying, by letting them know, I will not buy you, not me alone. There are 15-20 families who used to buy with you. We will not buy from you. Farm to cook అనేది ఉంది ఇక్కడ. హలాల్ అనేది పెడతాడు. నేను వెళ్ళి అడిగాను, ఫిష్లో ఏంద్రా హలాల్? అరే అక్కడేం చేస్తావు రాను సార్? అందరూ కొనుక్కుపోతారు, మీకేంటి సార్? ఓకే, అసలు హలాల్ అంటే ఏంటి తెలుసా? ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. What is halal? You know what he said? In the name of God, it's okay, sir. It's Allah or Shiva or Jesus. It's all same, sir. Very picture. One is not knowing. One is do not want to know. See, my point is, one is not knowing. One is do not want to know. Okay. So, revive this. ఎందుకు ఇది రత్నాకరం ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నా అంటే, go see. Ratnakaram Dautapadam Himalaya Kiritini Brahmarajashri Ratnadhyam Vande Bharatamataram. Our land, the land of the seas, the land of the crown of Himalayas, the land who was Brahma Rishis, Veda Rishis were there born. My God was born in that land. That land I represent. When you are representing that land, how can you not be united? You are representing that land. Ma Bharat is looking at you, all of you. Hare, na bidda వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు, కన్వర్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు, పట్టుకో. ఆమె బాధపడుతుంది. ఏమి? వై కాంట్ యు ఆల్ కమ్? తల్లిని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయాలంటే మిలిటరీ ఒక్కటే కాదు కదా. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ మిలిటరీ అలోన్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ మై మదర్. వేర్ ఆల్ హర్ కిడ్స్, రైట్? వి గాట్ టు స్టాండ్ స్ట్రాంగ్, రైట్? యునైటెడ్, రైట్? టుగెదర్, రైట్? వై ఆర్ వి నాట్? వై ఆర్ వి నాట్? రక్తం లేదా మనకు? ఉప్పు తినట్లేదా మనం? We got to be strong, right? Why not? This, we have to educate ourselves. Educate yourselves. Be united. ఇప్పుడు వెంకటకి ఏమైనా అయితే పరిగెత్తండి, గిరికి ఏమైనా అయితే పరిగెత్తండి, ఇప్పుడు ఆమెకి ఏమైనా అయితే పరిగెత్తండి. ఇది నేను అనే ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఊరికే వన్ డే ఇన్వైటింగ్ సంబడి ఫర్ ఫుడ్ and just getting together. That is wonderful. But actually గా నేను ఈ రోజుకి చెప్తున్నా, సో కాల్డ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఉన్నారు కదా, ఈ పార్టీస్ చేస్తారు, ఇవన్నీ చేస్తారు కదా, ఎవరికైనా ఒకరినైతే ఎవడు వెళ్ళడమ్మా. నేను ఈరోజు చెప్తున్నా, నోబడి విల్ గో టు ద రెస్క్యూ. ఇఫ్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇన్ సమ్ ఫ్యామిలీ, చాలా తక్కువ. You're on your own. Nobody will come to your rescue. By mistake, yesterday I got to see a news. I don't know. She shared with me. A Patel, 62-year-old guy. He went to Walmart. This happened where? Which state? Georgia. He went there, 62-year-old. He went. He just asked the lady, the white lady who had 2 kids going in a cart in Walmart. He said, oh, where should I look for Tylenol medication? That his mother, who is 86 years old, 90 years old at home, she needed Tylenol medication. So he went to Walmart. He asked, which aisle should I go? She said, go here. So he went around, he couldn't find. So he came back again, asked where, and during that time, these 2 kids on her one was jumping, and so he tried to catch that kid and made the kid sit. And again, he had which child? That child is not found. So which child? So she said, okay, go there, go there. He went and found. He bought and he showed it to her, saying, I got it, thank you, and he walked away. Immediately after he walked away, she complained to the police that he tried to abduct my kids. 40 days. He's in jail for no reason. No reason at all. And then they then found he had to pay for the lawyer. The lawyer had to come. She had to bring all the cameras, things, and kind of stuff. Then they found entire thing that he did not. Basically what she said is he was trying to abduct and was running away. There was nothing like running. He was not trying to do anything. You could see the video. If you go to YouTube, you could see the video. There's nothing there at all. He was just asking her. He was just walking. And even before he was going out, he paid. While going out, he was talking to employees of Walmart. Happily, he was just walking. Just for his no fault of his, he had to be in jail for 1 whole month. His kids are in college. His mother is sick. His wife had to take care of the business. He was in jail. Why? There is no unity. Unnecessary, no fault of his. He had to pay a lot of money for the attorney now, right? His name is at stake, right? That was a straightforward case. All you have to do is look at the camera. Cameras of Walmart, find out, determine how long does it take. 30 to 40 days, a person for no fault is it, being in a jail. Let me tell you, all over the news channels, immediately 2-3 days after that, you know how that family would have felt? How many friends, so-called friends, they would have thought they would not even come to their house. The reason why am I bringing this is, so-called you think that your friends, so-called you think that your well-wishers around you when you are nice, they will not come to your rescue, ma. They will not come. One day, by accident, if your name is at stake, nobody will come to you. Nee manchanta potundi, washed away. No matter how much you've helped others, nobody will care for you. Find out what is happening around you. Find out how are we? How can we improve? How can we make this as one family? Get together. This is one family. This is one family. అది ఎప్పుడైతే మనలో వస్తుందో అప్పుడు ప్రపంచం భయపడుతుంది. The world will see. Immediately they take care of it. If we are not united, they won't care. Nobody did any dharnas. Nobody did any candle marches. Nobody did it. After the attorney came into the picture, she saw all the videos. Then she sent it into the social media. Then asked for the appeal to the judge. Then slowly people started supporting. అప్పుడు దాకా ఏమయ్యారు వీళ్ళంతా? అంటే they also determined that this guy is a bad guy, right? Just because some social media is saying, just because some news is saying, they also determined that he's a bad guy, right? Avuna? How much the wife would have felt? How much that ailing mother in the family would have felt? How much his own kids in the college would have felt? Did anybody think about it? How much he himself in the jail would have felt? Please, నేను అందుకనే మీకు అవేర్నెస్ ఇస్తున్నాను. Please, if you are in difficulty, somebody comes to your rescue, they are the real actual friends. They are the real friends. You understand? ఇప్పుడు నీ బాధలో ఉన్నావు చూడు, అప్పుడు వచ్చి వస్తాడు చూడు. ఏయ్ వెంకట్, నేనున్నా, బాధపడద్దు అంటాడు చూడు, వాడు నీ రియల్. వెంకట్ ఏమన్నా అయితే టక్కన జారుకుంటాడు చూడండి. నువ్వు నీ ఇంట్లో పార్టీలు చేసినప్పుడు, నువ్వు ఇంట్లో బర్త్డే చేసినప్పుడు, వీళ్ళంతా దే విల్ కమ్ అండ్ దే విల్ ట్రై టు హగ్ యూ, దే విల్ ఆల్సో బి నైస్ అండ్ గిగ్లింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద స్టఫ్. When something happens to you, nobody will come, right? Leave them. We are not united within the family. That's a problem. We have to be united. Nobody will come to your rescue. Please understand.